Hey, what's going on? This is MinisterGold. This is a Mix It Up OBS and Touch Portal tutorial. This will be on how to set up a clip command, or rather a clip button on your Touch Portal so that when you click it or tap on it, it'll create a clip locally on your PC. So not on Twitch, and you would make a clip locally on your PC in case you want to do some editing to it before you throw it up on TikTok or YouTube. Okay, and if you do not know what Touch Portal is or why you should get it, I made a video previously on some like beginner stuff with Touch Portal and why you would get it versus like an Elgato Stream Deck. So go watch that first if you need more information on what Touch Portal is. Before we get into the tutorial, I stream on Twitch on Tuesday through Thursday and on Saturdays, sometimes more. I've played some Casual Mario, but lately I've been playing things like Blasphemous 2. I just beat that. I'm playing Armored Core 6 now, and next game after that will be Bomb Rush Cyberpunk. So if that interests you, or you just want to chat about Mix It Up, other things, follow. If not, no worries. Okay, so let's talk about, first of all, we need to talk about replay buffers. So in OBS, you'll go to settings. Let's see, go to output, go to replay buffer, and then enable it. I set it up for like the last 35 seconds. So what a replay buffer is that it's constantly monitoring while you're recording your stream. It's constantly monitoring the last like 35 seconds in this case. And when you make a clip, it's automatically going to just save that segment of the last 35 seconds. So yeah, we want to enable that. And yeah, you can also put what you want the essentially the prefix of all your clip videos to be. I actually just literally call it a clip. By default, OBS calls it a replay, but yeah, I'd like to just call it a clip because that's what I think of it as. Okay, it is in general, and you want to set it to automatically record when streaming and automatically start replay buffer when streaming, so that as soon as you hit streaming, you'll be able to start making those clips. And next, what you want to do is you want to go to hotkeys. You'll type in replay, and then you want to make a hotkey for save replay. For me, the hotkey that I made was Alt-C, and then just apply. Okay, so now we have a hotkey for the replay buffer. So if I start stream right now, wait 30 seconds, press Alt-C, it'll give me that clip. Now that might be enough for you. Like, oh, you know what? I don't want it on my Touch Portal. Like pressing Alt-C is basically like just pressing a button on my Touch Portal. So why don't I just do that? You could do that, but if you want to go further, then this is what you do. Okay, so now we're going into Mix It Up. Okay, so you go to commands. We're gonna make a new command. I've already made it. I called it local clip, in case you already have a clip command. Okay, then you'll look for the input action. Okay, and you can use this to trigger your hotkey. So Alt, click for the action, C for the keyboard key, and make sure that the type is set to keyboard. Okay, and as far as the input actions that are possible, you have click, press, and release. So click means just gonna hit them once, and that's it. Press means it's gonna hold it. Release means it's gonna let it go. Okay, so we want the click one for the keyboard action. Okay, and this will trigger the hotkey, which will trigger the like saving a local clip via the replay buffer in OBS. Okay, so now let's talk about Touch Portal. Okay, and this is gonna do a lot for you because it isn't. Once you learn how to trigger Mix It Up commands in Touch Portal, then it isn't just going to be used for like saving clips locally to your PC. It'll be saved for whatever you want to make buttons out of using Mix It Up. Okay, so you click on the menu in the top left, go to Services, go to the very bottom, Developer API. We'll click on the link here for Developer API. Okay, you'll click on this link right here. Okay, so right now you see nothing, but if you type in commands, you will see all of your commands. Now I think I have an extension here that just makes this look nicer, and so you may want to find an extension for Firefox that makes JSON formats look nice. So like if we just go like JSON prettify Firefox extension, or yeah, like a basic JSON formatter, that would be fine too. But if you aren't using Firefox, then just look up the same thing for like Chrome or whatever browser you're using if it supports extensions, because it will not look like this by default. Like it'll look like that massive text you just saw. It'll look like that, which is not very readable. So yeah, make sure you get a JSON formatter extension. Okay, now you'll notice each of these has an ID. Okay, so if I copy this one, the name of this command is busa. So I'll put the ID here. So now I just have the busa command here. Okay, now let's say I want the ID for the local command. So I'll hold Control, press F, type in local clip. Okay, and there is my local clip command that I just made. Okay, I'll copy this ID, paste it here, and you will see what we'll use this for later. For now, we're going to head over to the touch portal. Okay, here's my touch portal. Over here, I'll make a clip, or sorry, a button. Actually, each of these are already counting as buttons. They just do nothing. So I'll click on this. Here's my empty button. I'll type over here on the right under button text. I'll type in local clip. Change the text size. Here's text size right above show shadow. Let's make that like 20, maybe 30. Okay. Let's give it a background color. We'll say background visible. I don't know. We'll say purple because Twitch. Okay, there you go. There's the button. Now as far as actually getting this to do something, because right now it's just a button, doesn't do anything. We'll go here, type in HTTP under add actions. We're going to add the post action. Okay, now that URL that we had right here, we want to copy that for the local clip action, or the local clip command rather. Go back to touch portal. Under the, well, to the right of the post URL, we're going to post that. Okay, and then to the right of content type header, we want to type in application/JSON, so it knows what type of what format to expect the data from this URL in. Click add and save, and that is it. So now you can save clips locally to your PC by either pressing Alt+C, because that is what we made the clip shortcut for the replay buffer in OBS. And now we can also use this button on Touch Portal to save a clip locally to our PC. So let us verify that this works. Okay, so start replay buffer, start recording. Okay. I am gonna go like this, and it's gonna record the last 35 seconds, but I'm not going to make you watch this for the last 35 seconds. We're just gonna watch the clip with the start of this. Okay, I'm gonna press Alt-C now. Okay, Alt-C. Okay, so you'll see replay buffer saved, clip to 2023, 9. It has a date here and the time. Okay, so let's go watch the video really quick. Again, I'm not gonna make you watch the whole thing, but I just want to show you that it works. Okay, so click on videos, recordings. We should have something called clip here. Yeah, there's clip. Buffer. Start recording. Okay. I'm gonna go like this, and it's okay. Alt C. Okay, so you get the idea. I wasn't live for 35 seconds, so it couldn't give me a full 35 seconds. Now I've been on for a minute and 20 seconds. So now we're gonna try the clip button. Okay, look. You can see me. Can you see me? I can't see me. Okay, so I'm holding my tablet. Okay, here is my button. I am going to press my button now. Okay, see that? See the bottom? You can't see the bottom because I'm in front of it, but behind me it says that it's saving the clip. Okay, so now let's see what happened. Can you see me? I can't see me. Okay, so I'm holding my tablet. Okay, here is my button. I am going to press my button now. Okay, okay, so there you go. Yeah, you get the idea. So it works. It works. It works when I press Alt C. It works when I press the button on my touch portal. And yeah, that is how you set up a replay buffer to save a clip locally to your PC, and that is how you set it up on touch portal. If you have any other questions, leave the question in the comments. I'll answer as soon as I can. If you have other ideas for what you'd like me to make as far as OBS, Mix It Up, or touch portal tutorials, let me know. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and follow me on Twitch and hang out if you want to. And that's it. All right, take it easy. Bye.